perfect world outlined next to you. Would you give me a time so we can see this through? Spring is warm, but I'm still feeling blue. I found a place where I still think of you, but in a perfect world, you'd be by my side for the night. I know you needed my love, and I still miss your voice coming through the phone. When you say to me, darling, I'd never let you go, I still miss your voice coming through the phone. In the perfect world, I'll have every chance to love myself and feel alive again. And if we've grown apart, then it won't be over. 'Cause I'll spend many moments learning and growing on my own. But in my perfect world,